Struggling to find the webmail login on Namecheap? Stop clicking around in the dashboard, wasting time. I will show you the exact path in 60 seconds, and you will finally get into your inbox. All right, so here is the plan. First, we are going to go to the Namecheap business email page. Then, we locate and click the email button. From there, we hit the Login to Webmail button. Let us walk through it step by step, so you never lose your way again. So, the biggest trick with Namecheap is that the login is never where you think it is. If you are just logging into your main account dashboard, you will search forever and never find it. The secret is to go directly to the business email page. I have navigated this interface for years, and this is the only reliable way in. So, open a new tab and head to namecheap.com/hosting/email. That will bring you right to the business email landing page. Everything starts from here. Now that you are on that page, look for the navigation bar near the top of the screen. You are going to see a menu that lists things like email hosting and email plans, but the one you want is the one that just says email. It might look like a simple text link or a button, depending on your browser size, but it is usually right at the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This is where most people get stuck, so pay attention to this next part. Look for a button that says Log in to Webmail. It is usually on the right-hand side of the screen or tucked into the top navigation. It is not hidden, it is just easy to miss if you are scanning quickly. Click that button right now. And here is the really important part. Some of you might be taken directly to a login screen, but in my experience, there is a good chance you will land on a promotional page instead. Do not get frustrated. Look for a big, friendly phrase that says, "Send like you mean business." It sounds a little cheesy, I know, but that is the button you are looking for. Click on that. Now you are getting close. After you click that phrase, the page will change again, and you will see another button that says Discover Private Email. This is the final gateway. Go ahead and click on that. Give it just a second to load, and boom, you are now on the actual webmail login screen. You will see fields to put in your full email address and your password. This is the private email login page, which is the system Namecheap uses for their hosting. Once you sign in here, you are in your inbox. And that is it. From being totally lost in the Namecheap dashboard to getting logged in under a minute. I hope this walkthrough saves you the headache it saved me when I first figured it out. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.